Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get silica pearls on the island. These shiny resources are essential for crafting many advanced items, from electronics to powerful weaponry. Knowing where and how to find them efficiently will greatly boost your progress. We will cover prime locations, effective gathering methods, and important safety tips to ensure your success. The best place to start your pearl hunt is often the northwest corner of the island, especially near the snow biome. You will find them as glowing white orbs or white and blue stones on the ocean floor. Also, check the bottom of rivers and shallow ocean areas. Some underwater caves are absolutely packed with these valuable resources. While you can gather pearls by hand or with a basic pickaxe, using a tamed creature makes it much easier. An anglerfish is incredibly efficient, often finding and collecting pearls for you. For speed and access to underwater caves, an ichthyosaur is an excellent choice. Even an otter can passively collect pearls from nearby water. Safety is key when diving for pearls. The waters can be dangerous, with creatures like megalodons and electrophorus lurking. Always bring scuba gear or Lazarus chowder to manage your oxygen. Having a strong aquatic mount for defense, or at least a powerful weapon, will help you stay safe and return with your valuable haul.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.